What's up, guys? Your boy Butch from Imperial TV. Today is another day, another blessed evening. We're here at Freedom Supercars. What we're about to show you is something cool and crazy. Stay tuned. Welcome to Imperial TV. Remember,
how's it going?
Freedom Supercars.
Hey.
Showing us his soft opening or grand opening?
Yeah, soft opening. So yeah, we just got moved in here and we wanted to have everyone out, kind of our customers and kind of close friends, and being able to come out here, see the venue, kind of see our vision for what we kind of want to do over the next couple of years. Have some awesome luxury events here. We got so many cool different spots, cigar lounge and racing simulators, and it's, we're expanding our business, and so really just want to give people a taste of what it's like.
Well, I can't wait for him to show us.
Hey guys, so yeah, we have a supercar club here, and so people come here, and if you want to get into the supercars for the first time, or you want to have some variety in your lineup, we offer memberships that are about 30 to 100 days a year as an ownership alternative. We take care of all the maintenance and gassing up and detailing and all the things that aren't very fun. That way you can choose the car of your liking and just enjoy driving.
Come race Butch, make sure you come here.
There you go.